Outstanding design defines the 2013 Dodge Charger. This four-door, five-passenger sedan stands out among competitors in its class. Under the hood, you'll find a six-cylinder engine with more than 300 horsepower, providing a smooth and predictable driving experience. Well-tuned suspension and stability control deliver a spirited yet composed ride and drive. A wealth of standard features mean that you no longer have to sacrifice, like heated seats, one-touch window functionality, a built-in garage door transmitter, a trip computer, an automatic dimming rearview mirror, heated door mirrors, and much more. In the event of a rollover collision, side curtain airbags provide additional protection for outboard seated passengers. Stop by our dealership or give us a call for more information.